Is it really possible to train your brain to get richer? Yes. Let me tell you, it's not magic, but you can do it. Mindset is the silent architect of our lives, shaping our thoughts, actions, and ultimately our destinies. It's the lens through which we perceive the world, framing challenges as either insurmountable obstacles or exciting opportunities. Adopting a growth mindset, characterized by resilience, curiosity, and a belief in one's ability to learn and improve, opens doors to infinite possibilities. It's the difference between viewing setbacks as failures or as stepping stones towards success. Studies have shown that individuals with a positive mindset are more likely to achieve financial success. But why is that? It all starts with belief. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you're more likely to take risks and pursue opportunities that lead to financial gain. Furthermore, a positive mindset can actually rewire your brain, making you more resilient in the face of setbacks. Instead of dwelling on failures, you see them as learning experiences that propel you forward. So, how can you cultivate a positive mindset to make more money? Here are a few tips. Number 1, practice gratitude. Gratitude, often described as the art of appreciating the good in our lives, is a transformative practice that holds the power to reshape our outlook on the world. By dedicating a few moments each morning to reflect on the things we're thankful for, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and fulfillment. Starting the day with gratitude serves as a gentle reminder of the abundance that surrounds us, even in the midst of challenges. Whether it's the warmth of the morning sun, the laughter of loved ones, or the simple pleasures of a hot cup of coffee, each expression of gratitude illuminates the richness of our existence. Moreover, this practice cultivates a mindset of abundance, shifting our focus from what we lack to what we have. Instead of dwelling on scarcity or comparing ourselves to others, we learn to appreciate the unique blessings that enrich our lives. Over time, this shift in perspective fosters a deep sense of contentment and fulfillment, regardless of external circumstances. Scientific research has shown that practicing gratitude has numerous benefits for mental, emotional, and physical well-being. It enhances mood, reduces stress levels, strengthens relationships, and even boosts immune function. By rewiring our brains to focus on the positive aspects of life, gratitude becomes a powerful tool for personal growth and resilience. In essence, making gratitude a daily habit is a profound act of self-care and empowerment. It allows us to cultivate a heart full of appreciation and a mind attuned to abundance, leading to greater joy, resilience, and overall well-being. Number 2, surround yourself with positivity. The company we keep plays a significant role in shaping our thoughts, attitudes, and behaviors. Surrounding ourselves with positive, uplifting individuals can have a transformative effect on our mindset and outlook on life. Positive people radiate enthusiasm, optimism, and resilience, serving as beacons of inspiration in our lives. Their contagious energy and unwavering support empower us to overcome obstacles, pursue our dreams, and embrace life's challenges with courage and grace. By surrounding ourselves with positivity, we create an environment that nurtures growth, fosters creativity, and fuels our aspirations. Moreover, positive relationships contribute to our emotional well-being and sense of belonging. When we connect with people who uplift and encourage us, we experience a deep sense of connection and community. These meaningful connections provide a support network that bolsters our confidence, enhances our self-esteem, and helps us navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. Number 3, let's talk goals. But first things first, you gotta set those goals. It's like plotting your course on a treasure map. Let's say you want to rake in a cool $1 million before the year's end. Well, you gotta get crystal clear on what you want. So, what exactly are these magical goals? In simple terms, they're what you want to achieve. They're like the destinations on your personal roadmap, guiding you in a specific direction towards a future you design. Think of them as stepping stones to a better life. You wouldn't start building a house without a blueprint, right? Goals are your blueprint for financial success, helping you make choices and take action towards what you truly desire. For example, a short-term goal might be saving up for a new phone in the next 2 months. A medium-term goal could be learning a new skill, like coding, to open up new career opportunities. And a long-term goal might be traveling to Europe within the next 5 years. Remember, goals can be big or small, personal or professional. The key is to have them clearly defined and keep them in mind as you navigate your life. They'll keep you motivated, focused, and on the path to achieving your financial dreams. Now here are some mind-blowing hacks to train your brain for wealth. Number 1, ditch the vague wishes, get specific. Numbers aren't scary, they're financial fuel. Don't just wish for more money, know exactly how much more. Maria, a baking queen who dreamt of quitting her day job and selling her delicious cookies worldwide, she set a goal of $5,000 monthly. By focusing on that number, she revamped her recipes, attracted new customers, and voila, freedom from the 9 to 5, all thanks to specificity. Number 2, solve problems, make profits. People love solutions, and they're willing to pay for them. So, what unique skills or talents can you offer to solve a problem others face? Take David, the coding whiz who saw businesses struggling with outdated websites. He offered his magic touch, and now he's a web design rock star, helping clients thrive and living the laptop lifestyle dream. Find your niche, solve problems, and watch the cash flow. Number 3, affirmations, but make it fun. Words have power, but ditch the boring, "I want more money." Craft a positive, present tense affirmation that makes you want to shout it from the rooftops. Say, "I am a financial magnet, attracting abundance and prosperity with ease and joy." Repeat it like your personal anthem, morning and night. It might sound silly, but reprogramming your subconscious with positive vibes is powerful stuff. Number 4, see it, believe it, achieve it. Visualize it like you already have it. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already having that dream income. But don't just see the numbers, feel the emotions. See yourself traveling the world, buying that dream car, helping loved ones. Let those positive emotions fuel your motivation and guide your actions. Remember Emily, the aspiring artist who visualized winning a design competition and showcasing her work worldwide? Guess what? She manifested both, all thanks to the power of visualization and the drive fueled by her emotional connection to her goals. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Be patient, be consistent, and most importantly, believe in yourself and your ability to attract abundance. Now get out there and hustle. Share your money mindset breakthroughs in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.